Dear participants, today is day 2. Today's topic is Tally ERB9 latest version presentation. The topic contains three subtopics. The first one is get free trial license and installation for Tally ERB9. The second one is creations of accounts master. The third one is creation of inventory masters. The first subtopic is installation for Tally ERB9, but I jointly teach to you how to get free trial version. Now Tally announced 7-day free trial version. The second topic is creation of accounting master and inventory master. That's third topic. Accounting masters we clearly finished today, and also we along finished with accounting master transaction entry and reports. So the creation of inventory master is only for the topic for today, but day 4 and day 5 onwards I clearly complete the inventory masters. So now today we clearly covered in Tally how to install the Tally software and how to create accounting masters and reports and view the transactions. Get free trial license for installation for Tally here. We then go to the link and then some details asked there. So I click the link. You see the link here, Tally Solutions /GST software free trial /. If in case the screen is not comes, some of the screens containing take the trials. So you click the take the trials, easily the trials comes the screen. The 7 days free trials now Tally announced. First ask I am a business owner, accountant, student or others. I give students. So students ask the business name is not skipped, okay, and they ask the name. I give my name fully. Yes, I type clearly, and then it ask the mobile phone number. But phone number, if in case I give the phone number in already I used for trial version, the Tally does not accept. So you give the different or new phone number and new mail ID. For example, I give my already existing trial used phone number and I press the new mail ID ravsalagubandi.acharya@gmail.com is a new. Phone number is old. Pin code is a Coimbatore 641001. So I type 641001. I submit. But some terms and conditions are there. I submit. The phone number exists. Okay. So I change my phone number. Again I give my old used trailed phone numbers 9843439292. Again I submit. Same message yes comes, and also again I give another phone number already I used 861064270. Yes, that message also comes exists. So I give the new number. You clearly understand. You don't use one number again and again for get free trial. So one user get one free trial. Tracking from mail ID and phone number. I submit here. Just wait. Some process. Check it. The thanks for applying messages comes. I see. You can see that software also download here. Both the time simultaneously your mail gets the serial number and the authentication key mail from Tally. Sometimes it takes, it's not take it's a long time, some minutes or some seconds of time. So I go to my mail ID, I refresh it, still the mail is not come. They show with you instantly, we will be touch instantly. I refresh it, it's not come. So you can see a Tally software setup also download. If in case any social message from Tally, no. In primary, no. Just I wait, I hold and wait. If in case in the time the setup file is downloaded, I move to download process, because I'm the serial key and the serial number and authentication is need after installation of the Tally. Okay, so if in case the mail comes or 2 or more minutes, you download yearly the setup file and easily install it. Okay, again I see, refresh my mail ID. Okay, almost download is finished, almost finished. Okay, I wait for download both mail also. Which one is come first? Yes, Tally software comes first. Okay, I click this place, so in folder I select, so I easily get my Tally setup file here. I double click on it. Some of the times it's take. Just wait. Just minimize the screen. I change the screen. Yeah, so just to minimize my screen, already the sub screen is comes. Okay, I click installed the screen. This is already installed screen. I install the key, install here. Some process, installation process going on. It's also take some seconds or nearby minutes. Okay, just hold. This is only 7 days free trial. What is the difference between free trial to original software or ordinary software? Free trial software, we use the 7 days we use like original software. So we clearly get some taste or training. Okay, okay. Here I see my mail ID and refresh it. Oh, mail is, yes, mail is comes. Tally Solutions, from a Tally Solution mail ID. I okay, just I open my mail ID. I can see my serial number and authentication. You also easily see your serial number and authentication key get from same via through my training. I see what is the status of installation. Installation also almost finished. Yes, it is almost closed. Okay, fine. Tally is very user friendly software from installation to higher level. Yes, is clearly installed it. I press done button. Yes. Once I click the done button, Tally software automatically open. So I minimize all the screen for Tally activation purpose. Okay, you can see first maximize the Tally screen. You can see licensing operations. First one is activation, second one is reactivation. The reactivation means if I have the license existing, so I activate this system newly, so I use second option. Okay, the first option is I get the new activation license. Okay, the third license is some of the rental license I have use for Tally for season level business. Okay, so I use 3 months, 1 month, so a rental license also available, and configure existing license also available. If in case I don't have any license, but I have the remote tally.net IT ID from my company or my beloved organization, they give the tally.net connected user ID and password. You can if you have the tally.net user for remote user purpose, you can see and you can edit some features customized from your organization. So the login as remote user is used for organization level used, and I don't have any license, activate license. I use educational mode only. So I have the activation key. So I click activation link. I select my serial number, Control C. I copy from use the press button Control C. Now in a desktop, Control C is the shortcut key for copy, but in a Tally, Control Alt plus C is the copy, Control Alt plus V is the shortcut key for paste. So if you press Control Alt plus V, if you don't know Control plus Alt plus V pressing, please type your serial number from getting from your mail. Okay, here I press Control Alt plus V, and also I easily paste my activation key. I give my administrator email ID is the same, raosalogubandi.acharya@gmail.com, and also I can confirm my mail ID again, raos.alagubandi.acharya. If any possible, copy and paste. No, it is not possible. So I type it I type again. Okay, I click clearly. Before close my close this screen, I read. Yes. If in case the screen gets successful, and you may also receive unlock key from your email ID. If in case you get the email ID, press F12 licensing unlock key license. Go to, then you type your unlock key and release your unlock purpose. But I enter its take for processing purpose. It's take so much of times. It's not so much of times. It's nearby minutes or second, takes some of the seconds or minutes. Okay, here some of the error are there. So I press the retry. I press it. Okay, here I say that clearly you activate your license full supply from your net purpose. Full and full broadband or Wi-Fi or mobile hotspot is clearly provided. Okay, if in case low level net configuration, I get easily my license. Okay, unlock key is sent to my mail ID. If in case any low net configuration, low net services provided, some of the errors comes because this activation fully connected by via internet. So you use in the time of activations, you check your broadband connection, Wi-Fi connection and mobile hotspot. Okay, here I enter to continue. Press enter to continue. So I enter. Please read this. Okay, I see the second mail. Yes, that mail also comes from my serial number. Yes, the serial unlock key is at there. So I select and copy. Just move to tally. I paste via Control Alt V. If you don't know to yes, the configuration, your license is now activate. Tally is ready to use. We easily get the license. Your validation date is yes, after only the 7 days, and your mail ID is clearly comes. If in case after 7 days, this message box contains educational mode purpose. Okay, I press enter to continue. So the tally screen is comes. The Blazer House is my oldest company, but when I install the first software, I create first company as Blazer House. So whenever I open the tally, the first company comes. So I set the company via this key F Alt F1 set company. So we clearly understand how to install the Tally and how to get some free license, 7-day free license from tallysolutions.com. This is it's a seasonal offer. Earlier stage, Tally does not give any free trial versions. Okay, just we move to material for our practical purpose. The introduction to Tally ERP9. Introduction to Tally ERP9. The Tally is a powerful accounting software which is driven by the technology called concurrent multilingual accelerated technology engines. So it is easy to use software and is designed to simply complex day-to-day activities associated within enterprise. Tally provides comprehensive solutions around accounting principles, inventory and data integrity. Tally also has features encompassing global business. Tally software comes with easy to use interface, thus making it operationally simple. Tally accounting software provide solutions around inventory management, stock management, invoicing, purchase order management, discounting, stock valuation methodology, etc. Tally accounting software also comes with a drill down option which can track every details of transaction. It helps in maintaining simple classifications of accounts, general ledgers, accounts receivable and payable, bank reconciliation, etc. Now we move the practical session. First, Tally ERP9 startup. Tally ERP9 can started in any of the following way. Click the all program option or all program option, and in case double click on the Tally ERP9 icon on your desktop. There are two ways to start up, and we move to the Tally. And quitting Tally ERP9, you can exit the Tally program from any Tally screen. But Tally requires all screen to be closed before it's shut down. To quit working on the Tally ERP9, press escape until you see the message quit yes or no. Press Y or click yes to quit. Alternatively, to exit without confirmation, press Ctrl plus Q. Ctrl plus Q is a immediate closing. You can also press enter while the option quit is selected from gateway of Tally. Yes. You easily see the quit option is here. You enter, ask yes or no. If in case you click the yes or you press the Y button, the quit is confirmed. If in case you don't want the quit, please enter no. Okay, and if in case you press the escape key, same quit yes or no is asked. If again you escape key, the previous screen comes. If in case the immediate shortcut key Ctrl plus Q you give, Ctrl plus Q I give, immediately the Tally is closed. Okay, Again, I open Tally from my taskbar. Then we move to creation of company. Creation of company, go to gateway of Tally, company info, create company. I give some table about the company details. So Bala Industry is our company name. Bala Industry is our company name. The 336 Sullivan Street, Coimbatore is the address. India and Tamil Nadu. Then postal code is 641001. Some phone numbers, mail ID, and financial year from book beginning from also I given. So, okay. The same data we enter and create the Bala Industries companies in Tally. First you press Alt plus F1 or this button, because any company is open initially. First close the companies. Yes. Gateway of Tally. In gateway of Tally, you know the company info and create company is a path. Create company, enter. The name is Bala Enterprises. Bala Industries. And the mailing address is 336 Sullivan Street, Coimbatore. The country is India, but the state, you type TAM. First three letters, the Tamil Nadu is selected in the list of states. Okay, please enter. Then pin code is 641001. The contact number somewhere 0422, some 6 or 7 digit number. The mobile number, skip. Fax number, skip. Email ID, info.bala industries at gmail.com. Website, skip this website column. The financial year beginning the same 1/4/2020, book beginning also 1/4/2020, and the security control is an advanced concept, so skip this field. And yes, security control no. The base currency information, when we selected the India, yeah, the India's currency INR comes defaultly, so we enter only. If in case accept yes or no, you click yes or enter. Our company is easily created. Yes, you see your company, Bala Industries. Okay. Some mistakes are there. Bala Industries, yes, is missing. So we alter the company information. How is it possible? We move to company information from gateway of Tally. Gateway of Tally, press Alt plus F3 or click this button. Okay, press Alt plus F3 in keyboard, or you click the mouse, this button. Okay, alter the company, enter. Bala Industries, yes, you modify something. Industries, okay. Here, you don't press the yes, it's not option, it's only the optional, you enter, it's okay. Then you move the previous page, press escape key. In Tally, you go to the back page, press escape key. If you move to forward pages, is enter key. Okay, then we see the material. The explanation of group. Group is a collection of ledger of the same nature. In a business, expenditure like telephone expenses, electricity charges, conveyance, etc. are commonly incurred. Ledger based on this expenditure are created to be used while accounting vouchers are entered. To know the total of such expenses for any period, week or month, similar natured expenses ledger are grouped. There are 28 predefined groups in Tally ERP9, which are widely used in the chart of accounts of many trading organizations. Out of these 15 groups are the primary group and the remaining 13 group is a subgroup. Among the 15 predefined groups, 8 groups are balance sheet items and the remaining 6 groups are profit and loss account item. However, you may also alter the nomenclature of these predefined 28 groups. Yes, we alter the names only, but we cannot delete the predefined vouchers. The creation of group. The solution is to first create one subgroup, rest of India debtors under Sunday debtors, because we see the next examples and only we create the ledgers only, not a groups. So we create some example group in here. Okay, go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Group Create. This is the path, and we know the name Rest of India Debtors. Rest of India Debtors is a subgroup of a Sunday debtor group. Against the fields under the select Sunday debtor from the list of groups. So we go to Gateway of Tally, Accounts Info, Group Create in Tally. We move to Tally screen, Accounts Info, Group. You go to single create. So multi-create purpose, 2 or more groups same time. You use multi-group create, but we create only single group, so we create via single create. Rest of India is a name. Under group Sunday debtor, only you type. Right side you can see correct selected wordings. Here I type Sunday D only, but defaultly comes Sunday debtors. So I enter the same is correct. Another options, skip. It's a finished. We create rest of India groups easily. We move to group material. Sixth one, we give the definitions and path to create the ledger. Okay, ledger account head. Ledger is an account head or actual head accounts. Actual account heads with which we identify the transactions. All vouchers entry have to be passed using ledgers. Tally.ERB9 contains 2 predefined ledgers accounts, namely cash and profit and loss account. Easily you know ledger has predefined ledgers. Yes, one is cash ledger, another one is profit and loss account. Group also have predefined groups. There are 28 predefined groups. 15 is a primary, 13 is a subgroup. Then the creation of ledger. Creation of ledger, go to gateway of tally, accounts info, ledger create is a path. Laterally we create ledger for some transaction recording, so we skip the examples for ledger creation. And now I explain seventh point, voucher entry in Tally ERP9. Tally ERP9 is pre-programmed with a variety of accounting vouchers, each designed to perform a different job, the standard accounting. Here I give some accounting vouchers. The first one is contra voucher. So shortcut key for contra voucher is F4. It means internal constructs, cash transactions can enter contra vouchers like cash to bank, bank to cash, bank to petty cash to bank, petty cash to petty cash. This type of transaction you may enter contra vouchers. You only enter the contra vouchers. Payment vouchers is an outflow cash transaction. All payments, loan to others, loan settlement made by cash or check. We use payment voucher. And receipt voucher, F6 is a shortcut key. Inflow cash transaction means receive some of amount via mode cash or check, like all receipts, loan received made by cash or check. The D, journal voucher, F7 is a shortcut key, non-cash transaction, and also all adjustment entry also comes. You know, depreciation account debtor to machinery account, partner capital interest account debtor to partner's capital interest, partner's current account debtor to partner's current current interest received. The type of transactions appears in the journal voucher. Shortcut key is F7. Sales voucher or invoice, F8 is a shortcut key. All cash or credit trading sales comes under this voucher. The credit note voucher is right versa for sales voucher, so is a sales return voucher. Control F8 is a shortcut key for credit note voucher. Voucher G is purchase voucher. Purchase voucher have the shortcut key F9. All cash or credit trading transactions appears this vouchers. And debit note voucher. Debit note voucher, the shortcut key is Control F9. All cash or credit trading purchase return. Yes, sales voucher, sales return voucher, purchase return voucher. And then contra voucher, get F4 shortcut key, payment voucher, get F5 shortcut key, receipt voucher, get F6 shortcut key, journal voucher gets F7 as a shortcut key, sales voucher gets F8 as a shortcut key, credit note voucher control plus F8 is a shortcut key, purchase voucher F9 is a shortcut key, debit note voucher gets control plus F9 as a shortcut key. So we move to the practical system. Recording transactions. I give some 4 base simple examples, some transaction there. On 1/4/2020, the directors of the company brought in rupees 15 lakhs 1,50,000 equity shares at rupees 10 each in the form of equity share capital. The company maintained its bank account with Federal Bank. So the Federal Bank received the amount 15 lakhs from director's capital. So we find out here occurs two ledgers. One is bank account, another one is share capital account. So we create the account, ledger account. The step 1. I give step by step algorithm, easily you understand. The step 1, create the ledger account. Path, gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger create. The name is equity share capital, under group is capital account. When we create the ledger name and we merge the group is very important. Equity share capital is comes under capital account. Federal Bank comes under bank account. So we move to Tally. The path is gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger create. The name equity share capital, under capital account, bank, Federal Bank, under group bank account. I move to back, so I press escape key. In gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger, single create. Name is equity share capital. Under group share capital. Yes. First ledger is created. The second ledger is Federal Bank. Under group bank account. I type bank only. The list of groups comes 3. So I select bank account. Enter. I don't know the account number, IFSC number, so I skip this field. The two ledgers are created. Then step 2. The step 2 is a voucher entry. Path, gateway of Tally, accounting voucher F6. Because here the company receives 15 lakhs. So that is inflow cash transaction. So we record this transaction by the voucher F6 receipt. So and then the step, press F2, type 1/4/2020 as a voucher date. Equity share capital is the credit particular, amount is 15 lakhs, Federal Bank in debit particular, and the amount is same 15 lakhs. Okay, we enter and the path is gateway of Tally, accounting voucher F6 receipt. We move to Tally. I idea to back, so press escape key. This is gateway of Tally. We find accounting voucher F6. Here the in the gear this hand wash is appears single entry mode. Single entry mode. How to change the single entry mode to double entry mode canvas? Okay, shall we move? I give some note. If you need double entry mode with CRDR for instead of 2x, first of all you press F12. F12 is a configuration shortcut key in voucher entry screen. To check, set use single entry mode for payment receipt contra to no. Use CRDR instead of 2x during entry yes. So in Tally we press F12 first. F12 is a configure. We press and you can see use single entry mode for payment receipt contra voucher appears. Yes. Oh, okay, we change it. No. And use CRDR instead of 2 by during the entry is yes. Another we don't change. Okay, here you see CRDR appears. Okay, in CR we select equity share capital. The amount is 15000000. That is the 15 lakhs. Again, one CR appears this transaction, so we change CR as a DR. So type DR. DR as a federal bank. Amount is the same, 15 lakhs, 1000000. Check our DD, we don't know, so we skip. Instrument number we don't know. If in case the regular business have transaction type and the instrument number also. Okay. If you needed, you enter the narration also. Okay. I skip it. Accept yes or no. Press Y or enter key. The first transaction is entered. Okay. Second, we move to second examples. Second example is a single line example. On 2/4/2020, the company rented a godown and paid a security deposit of rupees 40,000 by check. The company needed a godown, so the rented godown and paid a security deposit rupees 40 by via check. By via check means here CR as an equity. CR is a federal bank, security deposit is a DR. Yes. The new here the two ledgers are appears. One is security deposit, another one is federal bank. The new ledger is security deposit. So we create the security deposit through step 1. Create ledger account, path gateway of tally, accounts info, ledger create. Security deposit rent as a name, deposit asset is a under group. Okay, we've entered the first step. Escape key, accounts info, you know the ledger creation path, accounts info, ledger, single create, name, security deposit, rent. Under group, deposit asset. I type DEP only. In the right side, deposit asset totally selected. Enter. Skip the all field. Okay. Next step, voucher entry. The voucher is FY payment because this transaction is outflow cash transaction because check paid, bank pay the security deposit, so outflow cash transaction. So FY payment is the voucher. Go to gateway of tally, accounting voucher. The path is go to gateway of tally, accounting voucher, FY payment. And the date is 2/4/2020. Security deposit is debit, amount is 40,000. Federal bank is credit, appears credit, amount is 40,000. Okay, we move to gateway of tally, accounting voucher, FI payment, FI payment, DR security deposit, amount. First you change the date. The change the date shortcut key for change the date is F2. 14 in the screen of 14 date voucher screen, you press F2, the next date automatically comes the 24. Okay, don't change the date, please enter only. The date is changed 24/2020. Already we selected DR as a security deposit rent. Only we type amount. CR is Federal Bank. Amount automatically come. Yes, check. We don't know the instrument number, that means check number. And I skip the regularly narration by practice. So, and we move to example 3. Example 3 is a complex transaction, have more DRs, yes. Okay, the 2/4/2020, the following assets were purchased by the company from credit of National Traders. National Traders, we borrow the furnitures from National Traders on credit. Electrical fittings rupees 25,000, assembling tables rupees 10,000, computer for office purpose 35,000, furniture and fixtures 50,000. Here there are 5 ledgers appears, 4 ledgers appears in DR because asset comes in. The one ledger is CR, that means that is National Traders, credit the giver. Okay, the National Traders is a ledger, under group is sundry creditor, and other 4 comes under fixed asset. Okay, electrical fitting, assembling table, computer office, furniture and fixtures is a fixed asset. National Traders, sundry creditors. So the first step, you create ledger accounts. Gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger, create. First ledger is electrical and fitting. Accounts info, ledger, create. The name is electrical and fitting. Under group is fixed asset. The second one is assembling tables. Under group fixed asset. Then computer office. Under group fixed asset. The final one of fixed asset is furniture and fixtures. Under group same fixed asset. The final ledger is National Traders. Under group sundry creditor. Defaultly comes yes, so we enter. Finally, we finished step 1 and we move to the step 2. You know, this transaction is a non-cash transaction because in a CR and DR, bank or cash ledgers not appear. So this is non-cash transaction. You know, non-cash transaction journal voucher is journal F7. So the step 2 voucher entry moves F7 journals. Path is gateway of tally, accounting voucher, F7 journal plus F2 for change the date. If do you know example 2 has same date, so we don't change the date. Okay, skip the step. Select electrical fittings, computer office, assembling table, furnitures in debits with different amounts. But all the DRs goes to one credit, National Traders. Okay, first we select electrical fitting, amount is 25,000. First we go to voucher entry pan, accounting voucher, payment voucher is appears. So we click F7 journal, DR electrical fitting 25,000. Again the CR is appear, we type DR, computer office 35,000, again DR we type, assembling table, amount is 10,000. The final DR is furniture and fixtures 50,000. The total CR, National Traders, the total amount comes automatically. On account you select because we create the National Traders with maintain bill wise bill details, yes, activations. So they ask which type of adjustment. Okay, we select defaultly on account is not a problem. Okay, the total amount 1,20,000 is a CR, comes automatically. I skip the narration, accept, yes, enter. Clearly we enter the example 3 and we move to example 4, the final one. The final one is internal cash transaction. Yes. On 2/4/2020, the company withdrew rupees 1 lakh from the bank for office use, of which rupees 50,000 was given as advance for petty cash. The company need cash, so withdraw from the bank 1 lakh. Give advance of petty cash here 50,000. The balance 50,000 goes commonly normal cash. Okay, so the ledgers are appears here is first one bank, Federal Bank is appear, another one is petty cash, third one is cash ledger. Cash ledger, you know, predefined ledger, so we don't create. Bank ledger, Federal Bank already we created, so the new ledger is petty cash ledger, so we create the petty cash. Petty cash is a name, under group is cash in hand. So we move the path for create the ledger account, gateway of tally, accounts info, ledger create. Gateway of Tally, accounts info, ledger, create. The name is petty case. Under group is cash in hand. I type cash only. List of groups. Select cash in hand. So I enter only. It's a created. And this step 2 is voucher entry. Voucher entry path gateway of Tally, accounting voucher, F4 contra. F4 contra because our bank amount comes our account. So it's an internal cash transactions. The cash or bank amount not goes outward, not comes inward. Our amount circulated from bank to petty case and cash. So this voucher is internal cash transaction voucher. So F4 contra is a shortcut key. Okay. Plus F2 for change the date. Previously the transaction comes the date 2/4/2020. So we skip this step. But Federal Bank comes credit particular, amount is 1 lakh, petty cash comes debit particular, amount 50,000, the balance 50,000 goes to cash ledger. So cash debit comes debit particular with amount of 50,000. Okay. We go to gateway of Tally, accounting voucher, F4 contra. So click F4 contra or press F4 contra. First you select Federal Bank is a CR particular. Amount is 1 lakh. Buy via check, yes. We don't know the instrument number, that means check number. First DR is petty cash. Amount not 1 lakh, so you type 50,000. Balance 50,000 goes to the ledger, cash ledger. So accept this. Clearly we finished the example 4. And the 9th one is view the reports. View the reports. I give 3 reports. One is trial balance, next one is day book, final one is ledger. Yes, easily Tally make trial balance, Tally compose the day book, and Tally summarize the ledger account. So we view only. So we easily view or calculated following reports. Trial balance path is gateway of Tally, display trial balance, day book, gateway of Tally, display day book, ledger, gateway of Tally, display accounts book, then ledger. Okay, we go to first trial balance. Escape. In gateway of Tally, display trial balance comes first menu. Enter. It comes to a group wise concept. If you need detail, press Alt plus F1 button, or in a keyboard Alt plus F1 is a shortcut key for detailed report. I click, you see your ledger's balances. Okay, if you need only ledger wise, F5 is a shortcut key for ledger wise, or click ledger wise. Only ledgers appears the trial balance. If ledger wise report you view the screen, on the screen F5 is a changing button for grouped ledgers. So now you press F5, it automatically changes grouped trial balance. So F5 is a switch button between ledger wise to group wise. If you like to change the period, we newly started companies, current scenario only 2 days we entered. Some of the companies have many financial year in tally recordings, so they change the period F12. Is it possible to change the financial years? Okay, then we move to daybook gateway of tally, display, trial balance. Next, daybook contains 3 transactions, but we enter 4 transactions. That the daybook defaultly appears last voucher entry date. You know, 2/4/2020 is a last voucher date, so last voucher date entries only defaultly comes. If you need the other some dates, we change the date or we change the period. We like to see particular date vouchers, you press F2. You like to see particular period, that means one date to another date. You press the shortcut key Alt plus F2 or click Alt plus F2. Alt plus F2 you press from 1 to tally ask 1/4/2020 from 2/4/2020. So I enter. The 4 transactions are come. If you need to detailed transaction, Alt F1, DRCS also appears. Okay, then we move the ledger report, gateway of tally, display, accounts book, ledger. I select Federal Bank. Because Federal Bank has 3 transactions. Initially, we filled the amount from equity share capital 15 lakhs and we paid 40,000 for security deposit rent, and also we need some office use cash. Okay, we withdraw 1 lakh amount, so 15 lakhs minus 1 lakh 40,000, the closing balance is 13 lakh 60,000. So easily summarized the ledgers from our entries in a tally. Then we move the final account reports. Final account reports, the final account reports have some sales transaction and purchase transaction, but we know the path of the final accounts. In a gateway of tally screen have balance sheet and profit and loss, so it is openly comes the final accounts. Balance sheet, enter. Grouped reports comes, we change the detail. Okay, escape. Profit and loss, nothing, but we idea to V. Okay, yes, net profit is nothing because we don't purchase and we don't sell. 1/4/2020 we start the company and we idea to purchase some fixed assets, and we pay the security deposit, and we withdraw 1 lakh for some office use. We don't involve the trading transactions, so that trading transaction profit and loss account not comes. Okay, escape easily you understand. And now we close the Bala Industries through F1, alt F1 sub company, yes, and close the Tally software. Then how to open Bala Industries tomorrow? Double click on your Tally icon on the desktop. The Blazer House is existing company, so we close it, sub company. Then you select company. There are more companies are there. Okay, name you type BALA, easily come Bala Industry, you enter to select. You know sub company Bala Industries select company, Bala Industry you select, it is open. Okay, is it easy to open and close? I close the Tally software. Okay, now I finished my session. Now, thank you.